Hey, what's up, guys? We're here and we're making a slime video with Elmer's glue, and we are using So we have
shower,
the shaving cream, and glue, and lens cleaner. I don't know if you can see that.
and color,
And colors.
and so baking soda.
So we're gonna pour in the slime right now.
Guys, what are you doing?
3, 2, 1.
Holy smoke, that's glue.
Now we're uploading a YouTube video here.
Huh?
You're in a YouTube
Oh
video.
my, sorry.
It's fine. It's more like you probably don't want to be in here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw these in the trash can.
It's gonna be a big slime.
Okay, now we're gonna put shaving cream in.
Yes.
So a whole bunch of shaving cream, right?
I'm just gonna first.
Shake the shaving cream and just go ahead and make your slime.
It's fine.
We won't recommend doing this.
I think it's fine.
We won't recommend doing this big of a slime. We're just doing it for the video.
We don't know.
We don't know how this is going to turn out. We've never tried it before. Neither
Never
of
found. We need to color it before we.
So, okay, which colors?
Like green.
Oh, so we're going to use red.
Just shaving cream.
Okay. I'm going to find a little bit of coloring for this one. That might be too much, but
I don't think it's too much.
no. This is
I
a
think
big
it's-
slime, guys. Huge. Okay. It might be...
Baking soda.
Okay.
Time.
Baking soda time. There we go. Put a little bit of baking soda in. And then just keep on adding the lens cleaner. The lens
Du
cleaner...
kan jo lige så godt bare putte den mega meget i.
The lens cleaner will make it like will make it stick together. We'll make it like form better. So
It's
guys, leave a like if you like this slime. You probably can't see that it's like red, so we're gonna add a little bit. It's pink. It's not even red. It's pink.
man kan ikke se det på kameraet.
Alright.
It's kontaktlinse. Shake.
Lens cleaner.
Lens cleaner.
Just add a whole bunch of lens cleaner if you're gonna like make a big slime. If you're making like a little slime, I'm just wash my hands off here because it's got like glue and shaving.
Oh, it's
It's forming. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
lens cleaner.
Okay, our slime is going good. We did like try a video like a week ago. And we tried this. I had to cut off the video because the slime was not good. We have the slime now, but it's like all grayish and stuff. But like we managed to Skal også have bunden og sådan noget.
Ja,
Så
så er det til at sætte det.
prøv sådan ligesom et æg. Sådan tage det sådan op og så. Skeen! Karina, skeen.
Jamen, jeg skal nok få det af. I need to.
Okay, it's going good. it's like forming. I'm just gonna put a little more lens cleaner in. Okay, let me join in on this. Okay,
I don't think it's a good idea
to make such a big slime. But we technically already made the slime.
We can mix another slime to it if it goes wrong.
Yeah. We actually made a slime earlier today.
Det er ikke en stor slim, vi laver. It's a big slime.
Okay, I'll take this and I'll try to form it and stuff. Okay, I'll try forming this into making a good slime.
Ej, lim er bare nede i bunden. Stort set.
Ja, så prøv at få bunden. Like this slime that I'm holding
It's
right now.
pink.
This slime that I'm holding right now is like as big as the slime that we made earlier, which is blue. But this is like just a little part of that big slime. That slime is huge.
Det er som om vi bare har lavet barberskum. Altså vi bare har lavet slim uden lim. Fordi limen ligger bare i bunden.
Ja, men altså. Det var en god slim. Den bliver god. Ja, Karoline, du mixer bare. Jeg skal nok gøre alt det der. Mix med skeen.
See when we mix it with the blue slime last in the video.
No, I don't think that'll be a good idea.
I think it's
Now, if the slime goes bad, and then we'll have to mix it with the blue one that we made earlier. The blue one is perfect right now. Like, it's like perfect. Like, it doesn't even stick or anything. It's like, it's just like a perfect slime. And it's actually my first slime that actually like went well. So, congratulations, Christian. Okay, ja, du tager bare skeen. Jeg skal nok. I'll get this big. Jeg skal se, hvis vi kan tage det hele op. Look how big this is. Karoline, du hjælper mig lige her.
Hvad laver du?
Det ved jeg ikke. Okay, det
Det var ved at lære, hvordan man får det af.
Man skal sådan bruge slimen har i sin hånd til at få det af.
Skal jeg tage det af for dig?
Ja.
Jeg var lige så dårlig til det en gang, ligesom dig.
Men man lærer. Jeg var det lille slim.
En gang var jeg den, der aldrig nogensinde måtte røre ved slimen, fordi jeg aldrig selv havde lavet det. De troede, jeg ville ødelægge, at jeg ødelagde det.
Godt det. Nu rører jeg ikke
We add lens cleaner to it.
This is it's really hard to make such a big slime, but it's really fun. So just gonna add a little bit more lens cleaner. And guys, we'll be right back with you as soon as we get the slime done. So we'll just end this and we'll clip it. So see you guys when we're done with the slime. Okay guys, we got the slime and it's ready to play with and everything. You just gotta be a little bit fast with it. but it's fully ready to play with. So I guess this was like a success to making the slime. So if you guys like this video, we actually just mixed some of the pink slime to this one we made earlier. Let's just put it flat on. Let's make it a little, like rectangle or something. I don't know. Yeah. There we go. Now we can. Now I'm gonna fold it. Boom. Fold it. Fold it. And fold it. So anyway, guys, if you guys want to make this kind of big slime, just follow all the steps that we did in the video. And anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. I heard it gave good luck. So bye, guys.